Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to thank you for clicking on this video. I'm sure this video is really going to help you to solve the blue death screen problem you're having with your laptop. What is the blue death? I refer to it as the blue death screen because when it happens to your system, it's obviously that you won't be able to do anything again. Yeah. And it's an issue that can result at any fucking time. It can happen to anybody in any systems. While you're using Windows operating system on your PC, prepare, or let me say, just know that it can happen at any time. Okay. What I'm talking about is the blue death screen, which is what I'm going to show you right now. Yeah. This is the blue death screen. Okay. And it happens at time when there is a mix-up in the operating system code, and the system just have to shut down, restart itself, and when it gets to some certain point, it will no longer boot. Just keep repeating this stage several times, and you just have to be maybe wondering, what have I done wrong? How has it got into this stage? It's not something you really have to panic about. It's something you can solve on your own, even without having much technical experience about how to solve this particular problem. So we have some software that can cause this. Software can result to this, and there are some hardware that can also result to this issue. But the first I'm going to be talking about here is the RAM. The RAM of your PC can cause your system to be displaying blue screen. If you have a bad RAM, or you have a RAM that is no longer supported by your PC, if your system supported particular RAM and at the point the RAM started failing and showing up blue screen, it's likely that the RAM is getting old and you just need to change it to solve that problem. So a bad RAM can lead to a blue death screen display, and when that happens, you obviously just need to get a new RAM. There are several types of RAM. We have the DL2, the DL3, the DL4. I will advise you give it to a technician that know much about it and change the RAM for you. And another thing is the system hard drive. The system hard drive. Sometimes the way from experience, I discovered that some customers don't really shut down their PC perfectly. Sometimes they use the same power button they used to turn it on, they force the system to shut down, and once that happens, the reader, or let me say the actuator which you are seeing here, instead of moving slowly back to the settlement base, here is the settlement base. Once you force the system to shut down, within a second, not even up to a second, it will return to the settlement base, and you will hear that crack sound, bah. And once that happens, the more it happens, the more it damages your platter. This is your platter. This big circle, the big plate is your platter, and this is where all your data can be found, right? And another thing that got affected when you shut down your PC forcefully by pressing the power button or holding it down is the head, read and write head. It's just like a tiny pin that picks your data from the platter, and once that pin gets affected, even though no matter the condition, the efficiency of your platter at that point, since the head which pick data from the platter is bad, just forget about it. You need to change the hard drive. And at times you can see we have two type of hard drive here. We have the HDD and the SSD. And the SSD is made of complete silicon material, okay, complete full silicon, and it doesn't even get affected when you force the system to shut down. The only issue with it is why I prefer HDD than SSD. HDD data recovery, it's at least it's guaranteed that if you have a corrupt hard drive or a bad platter, bad read and write, you can still attempt to do your data recovery. But if it is SSD, just forget it. You once it go bad, you forget all the data. There's nothing you can do to do the data recovery. We still hope that the more technology advance, we'll be able to find a way of recovering data from SSD as well. But SSD don't usually have the blue screen problem, and if it does, then trust me, there is a very low percentage or a very low assurance that the issue is actually from the SSD drive. It can be from the HDD drive. So another thing, that's the two major causes I know of the hardware part. Another thing now is the system driver. When you have outdated driver, most people just use laptop, connect it to the internet. They don't know that some parts that are connected to the system, like your wireless card, your speaker, your display brightness, and a lot of things, your Wi-Fi key, your brightness key, a lot, your volume button has a particular driver that link them up with the system motherboard. All these parts are not just recognized by your board, right? There has to be a particular driver that will serve as the link for your board to recognize them and work together with your operating system. So at times when you have outdated driver, it can also cause the blue dead screen, and when that happens, you just have to go for a system recovery and make sure you update the driver. To update driver, you just find, maybe if you're using Windows 7 on your computer, you will see a folder named computer when you access your file manager. And if you're using Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11, you will see this PC in your file manager store. Just right click on it, choose manage, and it will load this particular page you are seeing on the screen, and you click on manage device. And once you click on that manage device, it will show you all the listed driver in your PC. So you get to see the outdated one, like all this one with the yellow cursor icon. Then there are obviously drivers that have not been driven before. Their software, you just have to drive, and we have a lot of free software you can use to drive your PC. You have driver booster, you have, and each manufacturer have their own certified application you can use as well. You can go to the, if you are using HP, you can go to the official website to download the driver. If you are using Acer, Dell, they all have their own specific driver application that you can use. And lastly, the fourth thing that can make your system to display the blue dead screen is virus. If you're having virus on your PC, it's aided up all your system code. Trust me, it can result to a blue dead screen, and once that happens, you just have to take it to a technician, or if you can do the system recovery yourself, fine. But the operating system at that stage need to be reloaded. At this stage, there are times luckily the system will boot fine, and maybe once in a while it display this blue dead screen. Before it totally give you this, before it totally pack up, it's better you take it to a technician that can diagnose that PC and detect the fault. And if you're having a virus on your PC, just trust me that most antivirus doesn't solve already already affected virus on your PC. Already settled virus on your PC sometimes can't be efficiently cleared by the antivirus you just installed. Okay, it's better to have that antivirus on your PC before the virus gets to your PC. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to share with friends, subscribe to my channel, and like the video. Thank you.